for add marks details, edit or delete mark details, and we have to change the title of the group box. Select the group box and go to the text, add mark details, delete it and place edit or delete. So change it, save the form. Now we are going to create attendance details form. To create attendance details, we have to add one more tab page. Right click the tab, insert page after current page. We have a new page here, page. We can change the text to attendance details page, current tab text. Save the form. Now we have to create a group box. To do like this, insert a group box, change the group box text to add attendance details. Now add a heading label and the message label. Go to the mark form, heading label, select this, press Ctrl and click the message label. Right click and copy. In the attendance form, right click and paste. Now change the text. Now change the text of this label. Add attendance details. Add attendance details. Enter marks. Enter attendance details. Save the form. Now we have to create the register number field, date, morning and evening. Save the button, save button. We have to add a combo box for registration number. So go to the previous form and registration number, select the label and the combo box, right click, copy and paste it in the attendance form, paste. So the registration number to select combo box, and then we have to provide the date. So to enter the date, we have a text box, date, select any text box and a label, right click, copy and paste it in the form. Here date, the text is date, date. Copy this label and text box, right click, copy and paste. Morning, change the text to morning, again paste. Change the text to evening, evening and place a button, save button, copy the button and paste the button. Select all and make a gap. press down. Save the form. Now we have successfully created the add attendance details form. Save the form. Next we are going to create edit or delete attendance details form. Thank you for watching.